welcome to my little room tour in my new apartment. As you can see, if you enter, you are directly in the kitchen cell with a microwave, cooking area. This is drinking water. They have a special line here for drinking water. This is really nice. I like that. So I must not buy always water for making coffee and so on. Big fridge, lot of place to put your stuff. Nice dining table, comfy couch, really comfy couch. I already tested it. TV area, and the best of my apartment is, of course, the view. Here's my little workspace. Like, subscribe. That's the view. This is my balcony. Some cleaning stuff there and a hanger for wet clothes. My action camera do already some work. And this is the view. There's the Buminghat Hospital. This is the Phetchaburi Road. Bangkok Tower, the old Makasan depot, where you can see already many videos, for example from Bangkok Pet, about this area. This is the railway link for the airport, and that's the city. This is my old apartment. I was before, but I changed now. So let us go inside. I like this place. In the evening, when the sunset's coming, working here is awesome. So let us go here. A typical bathroom. Shower. A guy in a mirror. And this is the bedroom. It's also really spacious. The whole apartment has 46 square meters. Also this awesome view. Nice bed, really comfy. Much space for putting your stuff. Aircon everywhere. And the best thing is you can remove this wall. You can move it to the right, and then you have a really big apartment and can look directly from the bed to your television. But I close it because I like it more separated. Nice, nice, nice. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching the video. My goal is to reach 1000 subscribers in 2022. If you like what I do, then feel free to subscribe. I would appreciate it. See you next time. Bye bye.